and welcome back to our last video of the series. We're going to be doing our lips this time. We're asking everyone to stay in the red berry family. So it gives a subtle blue kind of color instead of that orangish hue. Technically, Sweet Adelines is not asking us to wear red lipstick anymore, but however, with the Hollywood glam look, it's definitely pronounced, it's definitely sultry, and it's gonna look great under those stage lights, and it's gonna look awesome. So without further ado, let's get started. Starting with lip liner helps create a clean, defined shape and keeps lipstick in place throughout the day. Here I'm using a shade that's either the exact same as my lipstick or at least very close to my shade of lipstick, so everything blends smoothly and without any harsh lines. To apply, I like to use short, light strokes rather than drawing one solid line. This gives a softer, more natural look. Then I lightly fill in my lips so that as my lipstick wears, the color fades evenly. If the liner does feel a bit stiff, just warm it up by rubbing it in between your hands for a few seconds. It helps make it glide on much easier. For lipstick, I'm using the Maybelline 24-Hour Superstay. It's a liquid lip stain that dries a matte shade. You don't have to use this exact one, just go for a long-wearing berry shade that suits you. If matte feels too dry, a cream or satin finish works just as well. To apply, I like to start in the center and move the applicator outwards, pressing my lips together to distribute the color evenly. Since this formula does set quickly, I like to take my time making sure everything is even before it dries. If you want extra staying power, blot it with a tissue and add a second layer. And that's it. The lips that last all day. And there we have it. Our lips are done. Our makeup is on and ready for the stage. I love how this turned out, and I'm so excited to see everyone and how they did it. Thank you for watching. I look forward to seeing everyone soon. Happy applying!